Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files with OneDrive Files on Demand on Windows 11, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring files with OneDrive Files on Demand on Windows 11, first, ensure that OneDrive is installed on your computer. Click on the OneDrive icon in the system tray, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. If you do not see the icon, you may need to launch OneDrive from the Start menu. Once you see the OneDrive interface, enter your Microsoft account credentials to sign in. After signing in, you'll notice the OneDrive folder is created in File Explorer. Open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon on your taskbar. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the OneDrive folder. Here you will see all your files synced with OneDrive. To upload files using Files on Demand, drag and drop the desired files from your local folders into the OneDrive folder. Alternatively, you can right-click within the OneDrive folder, select New, and then Folder to organize your files. After placing your files in OneDrive, they will upload automatically if your device is connected to the internet. If you prefer to save space, you can keep files online only by right-clicking the file and selecting Free Up Space. This option removes the local copy from your device while keeping it accessible online. To access your files later, simply open the OneDrive folder in File Explorer. Files that appear as online only will show a cloud icon next to them. You can download an online-only file by double-clicking it, which will save it locally on your device. If you need any files quickly, right-click on the file and select Always Keep on this device. This ensures your file is always accessible offline. To see the storage usage and manage your OneDrive settings, right-click the OneDrive icon in the system tray and select Settings. In the settings, you can adjust how Files on Demand works according to your preferences. Once you are done transferring and managing your files, remember to monitor your OneDrive storage for optimal performance. This concludes the process of transferring files with OneDrive Files on Demand on Windows 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.